Playmaker now finally back, only terrible and ready for dispatch. Acting up Keyboy. Gauge flap out rope and racing Keyboy. Jump squeak out of the gate around the outside is Playmaker. Big time. Now racing third down. Followed by Formidable Ella. Terrible Friend. Action Sailor is also there. Then followed by Money Bank running by the wheel Atoy for us. Then followed by Matikas. And yes, why not is running in the tail of the field. Going along for the first turn. Playmaker from the outside leads by half a length, followed by Keyboy. Big time, racing third by Lenka. And into the back they travel. Playmaker followed by Keyboy. Big time running in third, down in fourth. Man for his Action Sailor. Alongside Formidable Ella. Here comes Terrible Friend. Apoy for us. Money Bank. Yes, why not? While Matikas now running in the tail of the field. Inside the last 600. Keyboy takes the lead big time now from the outside. Playmaker, Terrible Friend also coming into the picture. Action Sailor, Formidable Money Bank towards the final third. Keyboy, big time now on the outside. It's now big time. Keyboy fighting it out for the leader. And running now in third, Terrible Friend. But still big time leading by length now, and finally big time Keyboy, Terrible Friend, Playmaker, Action Sailor for your Pentapecta.
Second choice.
Yup, 9 for 10, 5-2 ang ating datingan, 9 for 10, 5-2.